ਸਾਬਕਾ ਕੈਬਨਿਟ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਹਰਸਿਮਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਬਾਦਲ ਨੇ ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਮਿਸ਼ਰਾ ਦੀ ਗ੍ਰਿਫਤਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਣੀ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਕਿਰਿਆ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਹਰਸਿਮਰਤ ਬਾਦਲ ਨੇ ਘਟਨਾ ਦੀ ਜਾਂਚ ਸੁਪਰੀਮ ਕੋਰਟ ਦੀ ਨਿਗਰਾਨੀ ਹੇਠ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਮੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸੁਣੋ।
What those poor farmers' families and those poor people who have lost their loved ones, their one demand. We are being pressurized by the government to do a settlement. No amount of money and no job can bring back our loved ones. We want justice. Our loved ones can never come back. But if the accused pay for this crime, then we will at least find some solace in that. The demand is one. It was a premeditated and planned murder. The minister first gave a speech threatening the farmers that if they don't behave themselves, he will teach them a lesson. And they should know his past, that what he's done in the past. And what he's done in the past is he's got a FIR for murder. So a person like this being made a home minister says a lot about the government. And the fact that he threatens, 4 days later, his son comes from a route which has been closed and mercilessly mows down farmers and kills them, dragging them for hundreds of meters. Young children have lost their lives. Young children have lost their fathers and their parents. They deserve justice. This minister must, I'm surprised this government has still got the minister sitting over there as a home minister. He should have been dismissed at the earliest and a case filed against him for the inflammatory speech that he made on 25th September. So the Union Home Minister must be, Mr. Ajay Mishra must be dismissed, the MOS, and his son must be arrested at the earliest. There is a video. The minister has said it's his car, it's his driver. The eyewitnesses, hundreds of them, have said that he was driving the car. People have been killed. It's there for all to see. Why was the son only called today for questioning on the intervention of the Supreme Court? It's very clear that he's been kept as a state guest this morning. Even now the arrest is not made. So the government is going all out to shield them. I did not know that in the eyes of the BJP there were two laws. One for the powerful and one for the poor. But it is absolutely clear that justice is being denied to the poor, and an accused, because he is powerful, is being shielded and protected. I look at it as an interrogation which is going on since the morning to see how to save him. Because first of all, the guy should have been arrested 5 days ago. And then should have been those eyewitnesses who were there on the scene should have been questioned, and what their account should be taken down. No one has approached the eyewitnesses. The family said, we don't know what's happening about our FIR. The FIR itself says that there is a bullet which has been fired from the minister's son's weapon. Despite all this, neither the families know what's happening about the FIR, nor do the eyewitnesses have not been called. But the minister's son is being made to sit there, and he is providing affidavits and some so-called video proof. I don't know what video proof he is providing. And I would like to know, out of the affidavits he is given, how many of those affidavits are of non-BJP worker? Anyway, that's beside the point. We demand immediate arrest of the minister's Ajay Mishra's son and dismissal of Ajay Mishra at the earliest, and a Supreme Court monitored probe by a sitting Supreme Court judge. I would not like to comment on what anybody has said. I have not heard about what anyone said, but everybody must get justice. Justice must be served. If the people sitting in power responsible to maintain law and order are themselves not only trying to muzzle the voice of the farmers, but now they are running over the farmers, then I don't know where this country is headed.